A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Where are we now?
St Pancras.
We are. You coming in? You maybe get a train from here?
Yeah.
Upstairs? Or along by St Pancras International?
International.
Come on then.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
You're on the train.
Yeah.
The train to another surprise.
I can't wait to find out what the surprise is though.
I'm not going to tell you where we're going.
No.
I'm not going to say a thing on where we're going. Alright?
Okay. Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live. And in today's video, we'll be sharing with you all whatever surprises.
That's what I was going to say. You've got no idea what the surprise is.
No.
You know you're going somewhere, but you don't know where.
No.
So it'd be lovely to be able to share with everyone where you go and where you're going to celebrate your
21st birthday. We'd love to know in the comments now where you're going.
I think that'd be great for people to make some guesses in the comments now.
Pause the video. Let us know.
I think that's fantastic. To pause the video and just let us know in the comments on where you think we're going to go to celebrate your 21st birthday.
It's going to be amazing, I know, because you'll bring us surprises, man.
Thank you. Want to make your 21st special.
Hold on, wait for the morning, till the sun comes over the hills. Make your call.
We're moving.
We are.
Can't wait now. No idea what we're going to.
That's part of the surprise.
Can't wait.
So good.
Just about to try the vegan cinnamon swirl. We thought we'd share it all with you.
Is it good?
Wow. That's incredible. What do you think, Mum?
Wow. Straight away.
You get to taste the cinnamon. It's amazing that if you ask, get some oat milk. It's really nice that I've been able to have peppermint tea too. The train's coming into Paris.
It is. Let's find out exactly where it is. We're going in a minute.
I wonder.
No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I got you. So we're in Paris.
Yes. Where are we going now?
We've got to get another means of transport now. Come on, let's go.
In taxi.
Where are you going? You don't know? Find out after.
Yeah.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
I'm just surprised. You don't know where we are yet.
No.
So this is Disneyland Paris. Are you happy? Oh wow, that's so exciting. Is the first time you come to
No, we
Disneyland?
have been before.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
It's her birthday tomorrow.
Oh wow, happy birthday. I will give you a happy birthday badge. Like
Thank
this,
you.
everyone will tell you happy birthday.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Are you happy? Shocked?
Everything?
Everything, all of the.
And actually, you're in the Compass Club. This is the Newport Bay Club.
You okay? Happy tears?
Yeah.
So those are your magic passes. Those are your tickets.
Love me, oh, I just feel so lucky,
To see me,
Yeah,
okay?
she's here to. She can be here and practice her French.
Oh, je peux te parler en français si tu veux. Oui. Bravo.
Merci.
And here you have all the information about the
Lovely,
hotel,
thank you.
the information about the Compass Club, and the keys of the room. And I will give you the happy birthday badge too.
There's the bag as well.
Wow.
It's got Newport Bay Club. Oh, and a luggage tag.
Perfect.
She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone. But she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel. Even though she got knocked down, it never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart?
Can't wait. Off we go to the parks now.
It's going to be brilliant.
It is. Main park first.
Definitely. I wonder what the first ride might be you want to do.
It's a small world.
I think that's a great idea. Good choice.
Can't wait. Thank you so much, Mum, for bringing my stitch.
You're welcome. But when I was packing, I knew you'd want your buddy Stitch to sit on your shoulder.
I've got Remy upstairs too.
That's it. So I brought you Remy.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind.
amazing.
Smells amazing too. Oh, the flavours! They're absolutely incredible. Oh wow. The chilli is so delicious. And the rice. All the toppings too, like the salsa and the guacamole. Oh, enjoy it, man.
It's amazing. It's just as good as it was last time. I look forward to having this. Should we enjoy it now?
Yeah. Here's the vegan Magnum almond. Wow, delicious. So lovely on a nice hot day too.
Silver lining, rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time. Say yes, rather than no. Don't let your fears lead. Light
Yeah, always a lot of fear.
Driving past Space Mountain in a minute.
Oh, I love Space Mountain. I know you don't know that.
That's not one for me.
No. Not my level.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
This is the Mediterranean salad. I thought it was right on the sofa.
That is amazing.
Oh, it really is.
This is a lovely salad.
It really is. It's amazing. Here's the main course.
That smells amazing.
It really, really does. Well, the broth tastes amazing. The meatless meatballs are absolutely incredible, aren't they?
They are so lovely. I'm really looking forward to enjoying this.
Me too. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you're new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know what you think of my surprise. I really still can't believe I'm here, and we really can't wait to take you all along with us as well in the next few videos. We'd also love to know if you've ever been to any of the Disneylands.
I think that's a great question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.